Today we are doing an Easter egg hunt. You can do it! Oh, you got it! It's growing on the tree, look at that! You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it off. Ah, we got it. Right there, Axel, look, there's one right there! You can get it, jump! Jump! The giant egg, get it out! That's a ball over there. What's that?
Okay.
A fruit strip! There you go. Whoa, can they do it? Let's see. Oh. Okay, he's gonna open the egg with the saw. Another IO snake, look at that. All right, you guys, are you ready? Are you ready, River?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, you guys, welcome to the show. Today we are doing an Easter egg hunt with dump trucks and loaders. This is gonna be River's Easter egg basket. Here you go, River.
That's your
You got your basket?
Yeah.
There you go. And this is your loader, River. You have to scoop the Easter eggs with this truck right here and load them into the basket, okay?
Oh.
All right.
They're gonna be watching.
These are the spectators right here? Okay, Axel wanted his stuffed animals to watch them do the Easter egg hunt there. And Axel has this dump truck that he's gonna load his Easter eggs into with his loader right here. All right, Axel, so the game is, you gotta go around and pick up the Easter eggs with the loader till it's full in the bucket, and then come back and dump it in the dump truck. Are you up to it? All right, come on, let's do it. Oh, wait, one rule. You cannot open any of the Easter eggs until we're done with the hunt, okay? You guys have fun. I'm gonna watch Axel. Are you ready, bro? All right. Oh, did you find one? Oh, there's one right there at the tree. It's kind of high up. What are you gonna do? You're gonna use the truck? He's throwing the truck in it. Can you get it? You can do it. Oh, you got it. All right, here it is, you guys. It's an alligator Easter egg. Loaded in the dump truck. Right there, Axel. Look, there's one right there. All right, you see another one? Oh, there's another one, you guys. Oh, that one's a tough one. It's growing on the tree. Look at that. That's crazy. Oh.
That is not. I'm gonna have to climb the tree.
You're gonna have to climb a tree. Here, get on my shoulders. All right, Axel's gonna have to get on my shoulders to get this one. You get it? You got it? Pull it off. Ah, we got it. What are you gonna
Let's go find some more eggs. Look around the yard.
It's over here.
What? It's so huge. All right, we're gonna put it into the bucket. Here we go. Whoa, hold it, River, hold it. Whoa, it's so big. Okay, let's put it in your basket, okay? Let's put it in the basket, Riv. Can you dump it in the basket? Okay.
See another one? Is there any more? Axel's just using a loader to throw it at the Easter egg. Oh, almost. See it right there? You got it! You got it! Oh, get that one! Get that one! These Easter eggs are growing in trees. There you go, bro. Climb it. Axel's climbing for this one, you guys. He got it! Alright, are you gonna leave these here and come back and scoop them up in a minute? When you get enough to fill up the scooper?
Look over by the... There's one!
Get it out.
Yeah, let's see if you can get it out. You
got it.
You did! Nice job!
Oh, Ash, look, one right there. Pika pika, Ash. Pika pika pika. This one, I'm gonna just get it down like that.
This one, he can just pull the tree down. There's more, look at that. These eggs are just growing on trees, you guys. I didn't know eggs grew on trees. It's crazy.
Wow.
It's an egg.
They're chicken eggs.
They're chicken eggs.
This one has nothing in it.
Ooh, that one's a little bit tougher right there. Look at that one, you guys.
No. No.
Oh, we made that a little too easy. I think you got a full load there.
Oh.
Come on.
They're done.
Yes. Bring it back. How many you got now?
6.
6. Don't open them yet. You can't open them till you get them all. Come on, let's go. There's more. Look, you missed one in that direction.
Oh my goodness, there's an egg in it.
Ow. I picked it out.
Is that a big one or a small one?
A big one.
Oh, there's one. Oh, it's right there. You can get it, jump. Jump. You can do it. There you go. Good job, bro. Alright, load it in. Nice. 7.
Is that a bunny rabbit egg?
Yeah.
How funny!
Oh, you're bringing the dump truck this time?
Where?
Axel's bringing the dump truck this time.
That way?
Yeah. Somewhere. Don't look
I
everywhere.
see it, I see it.
On the ground, up high, everywhere. Look for a big leaf. What's that? Get the loader, get the loader.
Ah, look, one right there. Pika pika, Ash. Pika pika pika.
Come on, pull the egg out of the tree. That's the biggest egg yet. Come on, load it up. Will it fit? Will it fit in here? Oh, we're running out of room. This dump truck, you guys.
Oh, I see that.
You see another one? Ah! This one's buried in the ground. You guys gotta dig it out with the loader.
Oh, and I'm unearthing the earth.
Oh my gosh, is there a worm? What? It's the Easter worm. We're gonna eat this, okay?
Really?
Okay. Just kidding.
Let's let him go.
Let's let him go, yeah. Let's put him right here.
Here, let's put
There
him.
you go, Easter worm.
Oh, another worm. 2 more worms.
There's so many worms.
Easter worms.
Have fun, Easter worms. Get the egg out. The giant egg. Get it out.
Pika pika pika. Pika 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 pika.
There we go.
Unearthing another earthworm.
There are more worms. Oh my gosh, there's so many worms here, you guys. Look at that. Wow. You got it?
It's bigger than the
So
last.
big.
Oh, look at the hole.
Look at the hole where the egg was, you guys. All right, drive it on over. Oh man, will it fit?
No.
I think it will. Give it a try.
Is there any more?
I don't know. Go look, keep looking. Look everywhere, on the walls, in the bushes. You got it, you got it. Oh, get that one, get that one.
Oh.
Oh, there's a big one. Get it out, get it out.
Let's go tell Daddy and Axel we found all of them, okay?
That is all. You have completed the egg hunt. Get 5. Yeah. Oh my gosh, Axel. That is a lot of eggs. They all fit in the dump truck. Are you done, River?
Yeah.
You got your basket of eggs? Okay,
Let's
okay.
bring them
Well,
inside.
Bubba's gonna open his first, and then you can open yours, okay?
Little,
Dude, River got a lot of eggs too, right? Not quite as much as Axel, but she's still got a bunch. I wonder what's in the big pink one. What do
little
you
is the
think?
biggest. And what's in the red one?
I know what's in the... Maybe? All right, bro, let's dump those eggs out. That's a full load there.
Little to big.
Little to big. Well, here, you gotta open the big ones with a sword, right? So you're gonna open the littlest to the biggest?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's see which one you can open up first. A purple one. What is that?
Fruit strip.
A fruit strip. 100% organic fruit strip. Yummy, yummy. Okay, let's see what's next. What is next? Be careful, don't let them spill out. Open them over the dump.
Blackberries.
Blackberries. Ooh.
Don't eat them yet.
Well, you're not gonna eat any of them yet?
No, I'm gonna wait until I've opened all.
He's gonna wait. He's not gonna eat any of them yet.
This
All right.
one.
Oh, what's in here?
Blueberries.
Blueberries. Oh,
Let's each have one blueberry.
you want one blueberry?
Yeah.
Oh, Bubba said he's gonna share.
Bubba's gonna share
One
with
blueberry,
you.
Daddy.
Oh, thank
One
you.
blueberry, Mommy.
Thank you, sweetie.
Thank
And
you
one
so
blueberry.
much. Is it good?
Now this one.
Mm-hmm.
More blueberries.
More blueberries.
Carrots.
Ooh, carrots.
Not yet.
Not yet, okay. No eating. Oh, what is
Now what's next?
More blueberries?
Oh,
What is next? What's in there?
A kiwi.
A kiwi. You like kiwis, bro? Yeah.
So it doesn't squish anything on
We got blueberries, carrots, blackberries, a kiwi. What in the world could be next? How many do we have left? 2 of the smaller ones.
Grapes.
Grapes. Ooh. What else?
So this one's.
What's in there? Another fruit strip.
I was hoping for raspberries or strawberries.
All right, so now for the alligator. What's in there?
Hot Wheels.
What?
No, it's the Monster Truck Mystery.
It's a Monster Jam mystery trucks. The monster trucks.
No, it's the cars.
Oh, and it's the Hot Wheels mystery model cars. Dude.
Not yet.
Not yet. You're not gonna open it.
The toys go right.
We're gonna have to wait for later for this. Okay, he's gonna open the egg with the sword. Order. Ryo snake. Look at that.
Hot Wheels car.
And a Hot Wheels car. Let me see it. Oh wow, that is so cool.
Y-Wing Fire.
What?
Y-Wing Fire.
And a Star Wars Hot Wheels car. Do you like that, bro? I thought you might like that one. Okay, you got 2 more eggs to open.
This one.
This one. Okay, this is the one that was buried in the dirty egg. What is that?
Hot Wheels track.
It's a pocket raceway. Look, it's like a mini track you can keep with you. You can take it with you when you travel and stuff. It has little ramps. Look, you can have them race and jump over that sign.
Now what?
One more.
We're gonna use the special sword for
The
this
special sword, the dragon sword. Chop that egg open. What is it? What is
one.
it?
A war turtle.
A war turtle. You've never done an Easter egg hunt. Has you ever done an Easter egg hunt?
I think one time.
Maybe one time, yeah. Anyways, I figured we would make this one a super special one. You got a Pokemon Mega Construct War Turtle.
Now let's eat.
Let's eat. Okay, River, come on. You want to come eat?
We're eating the non-fruit stuff first, right?
Carrots first.
Carrot.
Veggies first.
Carrot.
Okay.
River gets one.
Okay,
And then-
I can have one. I'll share one.
Whoa.
Thank you for sharing. All right, River.
Yeah.
Are you ready to open your eggs?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put a link in the South House video where River opens her eggs down below. All right, bro. You ready to open up all the Hot Wheels stuff here?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready, River?
Yeah.
You got your surprise one right here. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Open it up. See what's inside.
What's
What's in there? Pull it out. There's a car in there. What car is it?
Vehicle car.
Whoa!
It's
is
that
a sticker?
car and that sticker.
It's a sticker. And the car, that's the same. Look at that. That is so cool.
I can pull it off. I can pull it
You can pull
off.
off the sticker? Where are you going to put it?
Why? And the car.
You're going to put it on the car. Just putting the sticker on.
I'm opening it.
What are you going to open first,
This
Axel?
one. This one.
That one's your thing. Open it up. This is the Daredevil, you guys. Let's see if it'll work. I wonder if this thing will work on the on-the-go racing action deal right here.
Let's open it.
You can open that one.
Wait, I'm gonna open this one second.
We're gonna open the Monster Jam mystery truck. Is there a sticker?
Crusher.
Oh, it's the Crusher. Wow, the Carolina Crusher. There you go. Whoa, ready? Go. Boom! It got the snake.
No, the snake got it.
Snake got it.
It ate
bigger
it.
now.
It's bigger.
All right, open up the Hot Wheels car mystery model.
Oh.
It's an Indy 500.
Remember that, Daddy?
Yeah, I do.
No, on the show, the Indy 500. No.
All right, so what's next? The Star Wars one or this one right here? I want to get this one. You gotta open this
That
one.
one left.
All right, there it is. The Y-Wing fighter. Let's check it out. Hold it so they can see it. It's a cool car. Do you think that thing will go fast?
Yeah, on that thing? Yeah.
All right, last but not least, let's open this up.
Last but best.
Yep. Hey, you save the best for last sometimes, right? How does it work? All right, here we go. We gotta assemble this thing. Let's see. Alright, you guys, we got it set up. We cock this thing back, and we put 2 cars in, and then we see which one can jump and go the farthest. Ready? Oh, dude, it jumped over it.
That one landed on the wheel and went further.
Wow. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna see if those 2 cars can jump over the Slither.io snake and Pikachu. Can they do it? Let's see. Oh, it just knocked over.
But they both landed on their wheels. This one went past it. Now just Pikachu.
Alright, you guys, now we're gonna see if they'll jump over Pikachu laying down. I think it was too high. Alright, Pikachu, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, they both jumped over Pikachu.
And they both landed on their wheels.
Alright, it's River's turn. You guys, she got these 2 Thomas the Trains and her eggs. Let's see him jump over Pikachu. Alright, River, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Push it down.
Push it down. Push it down.
Oh. That was so fast. They're so light. It came out really fast.
I want to try it.
Alright, you guys, we have the ultimate test. We are gonna send the trains flying over the ramp, over the Hot Wheels deal, all the way down the stairs to see how far they get.
Maybe over your head.
Maybe over my head. Alright, bro, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ah! Look at that! Look how far they went!
They did perfectly on their
Oh my gosh! This train won.
They were both on their wheels.
The rocket train won. It went way farther. They both landed on their wheels. Oh my gosh, you're right. You guys, they both landed on their wheels, it looks like. That is so cool. All right, you guys, now we're gonna try something new. We got the mini monster truck here, the Carolina Crusher, and this Indy 500 race car. And we're gonna see which one of these ramps the farthest, okay? On your marks. Get set. Fly! The Indy race car is the winner, and it landed on its wheels. The monster truck didn't go very far. I think the Indy race car is more built for that thing. I think the Indy race car is better suited for that track, right, bro? All right, you guys, now it's River's turn. We have the train here versus the Star Wars car. You ready, River?
Yeah.
All right, when Daddy says go, push it. Let's see who wins.
River, go.
Ready, go. Oh, and the Hot Wheels car won by barely. Look, this train didn't go as far as the other trains did. That's funny. Yeah. All right, you guys, and now for the ultimate challenge. We are going to launch blueberries into Axel's mouth. You ready, bro?
Uh-huh.
1, 2, 3, go. Pull it down.
I got them.
You got one? That's so cool. No. I got one! Alright, bro, was this fun? You, give me 5. You are a great egg hunter. You too, River, give me 5, girl. Yeah. Alright, you guys, if you want to see River opening her eggs and the surprises she got in them, check out the link in the South House video down below where she opened them. I'll put a link down below in the description whenever we open them up. Alright, well, you guys get out and use your imaginations to find creative ways to live your life and love everyone around you. No matter what you have, no matter where you are, you can have fun and enjoy your life just like you see us doing every day if you just use your imagination. And maybe next Easter, you guys, if you do an Easter egg hunt, you can take your loaders and your dump trucks out and use your imagination to pretend like you're a construction worker and you're loading up your eggs into your dump truck. Won't that be fun? We'll see you later. Bye.